Hi friends, today we are starting 7th standard SS Nayakas, Palegaras and Nada Prabhu. After Vijayanagara Empire, Karnataka came under administrative ruling in that Vijaypur, Keladi and Mysore. After the decline of Vijaypur, Mughals and Marathas ruled many regions of Karnataka. Many regions of Karnataka. Even with the presence of these rulers, Keladi and Mysore state protected themselves well from them and continued the traditions and the practice of Vijayanagara Empire. The decline of Vijayanagara Empire, the Mughals and Marathas ruled in many regions of Karnataka, but these under the administration rule, they are under control the tradition and practice of Vijayanagara Empire. With these grew in Chitradurga, Surapura and Yelahanka and Paleputtas. These regionally. In this lesson, we will learn about Nayakas of Keladi, Chitradurga, Surapura and Nadaprabhu of Yelahanka and their achievements. In this unit, we are learning the achievement of senior Venkatappa Nayak and Shivappa Nayak, brave story of Rani Chennamma, tolerance of other religion by Keladi Nayakas and Madakari Nayak of Chitradurga, and achievement of Venkatappa Nayaka 4 of Surapura, and contribution of Surapura Nayakas and also contribution of Kempegoda and Kempegoda 1 and Kempegoda 2. These are the Nada Prabhu of Yelahanka. First of all, Nayakas of Keladi in 1499 to 1763 C. Nayakas are Palegaras. Under the control of Vijayanagara Empire, there were many small kings. They are called Nayaka or chieftains or Palegaras. The places which were ruled by these chiefs are called Paleputtus. Among these chiefs, Nayakas of Keladi and Nayakas of Chitradurga are famous. Keladi was founded in 1499 CE during the Vijayanagara period. Which period? In the Vijayanagara Empire period. And later became independent. The leaders of Keladi were ruling the coastal and Malenadu region of Karnataka. Malenadu region of Karnataka. In that Malenadu region, the Keladi province has large of prosperous. Keladi consists of Shimogga, Dakshin Kannada, Udupi, Kasargod. Right now it is in Kerala. Kodagu, Hassan, Tumkuru, Chitradurga, Dharwad and Uttara Kannada areas. This is the consisted of the Keladis. In that, the brave one of the king, popular king, Hiriya Venkatappa Nayaka, 1582 to 1629 CE. Who is that? Hiriya Venkatappa Nayaka. Venkatappa Nayaka is popular among the kings of Keladi in his period. The Keladi kingdom attained complete freedom. He took out military expedition till river Chandragiri in the coastal region with the help of Queen Abbakka Devi, one of the brave queen coming in Mangaluru. Abbakka Devi, he defeated the Portuguese in Mangalore. He defeated Adil Shahi forces of Vijaypur and established victory pillar in Hangal. He encouraged all religions. Hiriya Venkatappa Nayaka and also the Abbakka Devi, one of the famous queen of South Karnataka. After Hiriya Venkatappa Nayaka, Shivappa Nayaka 1645 to 1660 CE. Shivappa Nayaka was the famous Keladi king. One of the famous Keladi king is the Shivappa Nayaka. He occupied the coastal forts of the Portuguese and got the title of Padugada Lodaya. He built strong forts in Mangaluru, Bekkal and Chandragiri, Kerala. One of the fort will be having the picture in your screen. For the security of the kingdom, why they are fort built? For the security of the kingdom. Shivappa Nayaka was the pious man. He encouraged the traders of Goa to settle in this state for development of trade. The Christians of Goa were experts in the agriculture and he encouraged them to migrate to his state. Look at the revenue purpose. They are encouraged the agriculture and provided land and other contribution. He made a strict rule that the Christian priest should be a local person. He brought a strict rule. What? The Christian priest, Padri, should be a local person. Shivappa Nayak revenue purpose, one system made that the Sistu of Shivappa Nayak. The revenue system started by Shivappa Nayak was called as Sistu. As per this, the fixation of land revenue was based on the fertility of the land. Fertility, how the fertility coming in the land, that type of the, on that base the revenue will be levied for the farmers, for farmers. About 1/3 of the production was collected as land revenue. 1/3, how much? 1/3 of the production of the was collected as a land revenue. This systematic revenue system was called Sistu of Shivappa Nayaka. The Sistu system led to the development of Malenadu. Which? Malenadu area. Malenadu means the Shimoga district. It is recovered or after coastal it is started a Malenadu area. Queen Chennamma 1671 to 1696 CE. Queen Chennammaji was the daughter-in-law of Shivappa Nayak. She is the daughter-in-law of Shivappa Nayak. Took over power after him. She repelled the Mughal army and gave protection of Chhatrapati Rajaram. Who is that Chhatrapati Rajaram? The Chhatrapati Rajaram, the son of Shivaji. Chennamma, the symbol of valor and sacrifice of Karnataka, fought war even with the Mysore army. The Keladi king built temples, agraharas and Veerashaiva mutts. The famous temple in Ikkeri, also the sculpture of these Keladi Nayakas. The mutts were the center of boarding, food facility and education. They contributed generously to all religions. Chennammaji gifted land for a Christian church in Mangalore. On account of continuous wars with the Mysore and internal wars, the Keladi kingdom became weak. Later, Hyder Ali occupied the Keladi kingdom. Who occupied? The Hyder Ali. Hyder Ali, who is the father of Tippu Sultan. Chronology of Keladi Nayakas. The period of Keladi rule. The period of Keladi rule 1499-1763 CE. Hiriya Venkatappa Nayaka 1586 to 1629 CE. After coming the famous king, that is the Shivappa Nayak. He is the Shivappa Nayak 1645 to 1660 CE. After Queen Chennamma coming 1671 to 1696 CE. After the 1763 CE, occupation of the Keladi by Hyder Ali. After Keladi, the Nayaka of Chitradurga. Nayaka of Chitradurga. In that Nayaka of Chitradurga, one of the brave person coming, that is the Madakari Nayaka of the Chitradurga. The Nayaka of Chitradurga have a prominent place in the Karnataka history. They ruled as a chieftains from the 16th to 18th century. 13 chieftains ruled this province for about 211 years. How many years? 211 years. Matti Timmanna Nayak 1568 to 1589 CE was the first king of the Palepattu. Who is the first king of the Palepattu? Matti Timmanna Nayak. Matti Timmanna Nayak. After him, Kasturi Rangappa Nayak 1603 to 1652 CE. After Kasturi, Chikkanna Nayak 1675 to 1686 CE. After Bicha Chugati Brahmana Nayak coming after Hire Madakari Nayak 1721 to 1749 are the famous king. Rajiv Madakari Nayak in that 1754 to 1779 CE. He is the most powerful and popular among the Nayaka of Chitradurga. Who is that? Rajiv Madakari Nayak. He is the famous. Look at the picture. It's showing Madakari Nayaka picture. His fort, Chitradurga fort, and he ascended a throne at the age of 12 years. He helped Hyder Ali several times. So many times helped in during the war. But the Hyder Ali became jealous of the valor of Madakari Nayak. In order to suppress him, Hyder Ali besieged the 7-ring fort of Chitradurga. How many ring? 7 ring of Chitradurga. But it was an impossible task to occupy such an invincible fort. The soldier of Hyder Ali tried to enter the fort after knowing the secret entrance. Where it is? The secret entrance, it is telling that secret entrance name is Obavana Kindi. In the absence of watchman at that time, Obava, the wife of watchman, killed the enemies with her wooden pistol. That is the wooden pistol telling Onake. In Kannada telling Onake. That secret passage is present in the fort of Chitradurga and called Obavana Kindi. Kindi means hole. The picture will be showing second picture, that is the Obavana Kindi. Hyder Ali, who was not prepared to accept defeat, besieged the fort once again. Madakari Nayak was defeated in the fierce war. The dynastic rule of chieftain of Chitradurga province ended with the rule of Madakari Nayaka. Chitradurga is an attractive hill fort consisting of 7 encircled forts. How many? 7 encircled fort. Consist of 7 encircled fort. There are several temples and tanks inside it. In that fort, several tanks and temples. Nayakas of Chitradurga built several temples, the Brahmasagara and Bhima Samudra. The important these two. Which one? The Brahmasagara and Bhima Samudra tanks are their contribution. The Brahmasagara and Bhima Samudra tanks are their contribution. The Nayakas of Chitradurga are known for their bravery and valor. The Obavana Kindi and the Hyder Ali accepted the defeat temples are and the two main, that is the Brahmasagara and Bhima Samudra tanks, are their contribution. Whose contribution? The Chitradurga Nayakas, that famous Madakari Nayaka. After Watchman, the wife that is coming, she is the brave woman Onake Obava. Onake means wooden pestle. The one hole is having secret door, that is the Kindi. Onake Obavana Kindi. Obavana Kindi. The two tanks are coming, that is the Brahmasagara and Bhima Samudra. The fort is consisting of 7 encircled forts. Which one? Chitradurga is the 7 encircled forts. The chronology of this Madakari Nayaka. Matti Timmanna Nayak. Matti Timmanna Nayak 1568 to 1589 CE. After coming Bicha Chugatti Brahmana Nayak 1689 to 1721 CE. Hire Madakari Nayaka 1721 to 1749 CE. Rajveer Madakari Nayak 1754 to 1770 CE. After the Chitradurga Nayaks, the Nayaka of Surapura. Surapura in Yadagiri district is situated in between the river Krishna and Bhima. Where it is? The Surapura, the river Krishna and Bhima. In between the river Krishna and Bhima. From the 1637 to 1858 CE. 12 Nayakas ruled it. The Surapura, 12 Nayakas ruled it. In this, Gadipida Nayaka was the founder of this dynasty. Who is the founder of this? The Surapura Nayaka founder is the Gadipida Nayaka. His ancestors were in the Vijayanagara army. They are one among the scattered groups after the fall of the Vijayanagara Empire. Later, after getting the official permission from Bijapur Adil Shahis, whose permission taken? Bijapur Adil Shahis, they started to rule from Vagnigiri. Who is that? Rule from Vagnigiri. Who is taken? Pitambari Bharipida Nayak 1687-1726 made Surapura his capital after constructing it. Later, in accordance with the agreement between the British and the Hyderabad Nizams. Surapura came under the control of Hyderabad. Raja Nalvadi Venkatappa Nayak 1843-1858 CE. The son of Raja Krishnappa Nayak came to power. The news of the first war of independence in India reached Surapura. Nalvadi Venkatappa Nayak had a plan to fight against the British by unifying the kings of South India. What a great achievement of this Nalvadi Venkatappa Nayak. He unifying the all South kings against the Britishers. He enlisted Arabs and Rohillas in his army, and he also started to train the army. On hearing these developments, the British officer, who is the British officer? Thornhill, wrote a letter to Captain Campbell. Who is written? The Thornhill wrote a letter to Captain Campbell on 24th December 1857. It is so important here. Who is written? The British officer Thornhill wrote a letter to Captain Campbell on 24th December 1857 and directed him to take immediate action against Raja Nalvadi Venkatappa Nayak. Raja Nalvadi Venkatappa Nayak. The British regiment entered Surapura in 1858 and battle ensued. The enraged army of Surapura broke the bones of Surat. Newberry also fell. Newberry also fell. Meanwhile, Naladi Venkatappa Nayak traveled to Hyderabad to bring in the special force of Arab and Rohil. The British force entered the Surapura and destroyed it. When he went to Hyderabad, the British entered the Surapura and destroyed all Surapura's fort. The Prime Minister of Hyderabad, Nizam Salar Jung, handed over Nalvadi Venkatappa Nayak on the pretext of helping him. With the intention of getting a favor, British kept Nalvadi Venkatappa Nayak in a prison at Sikandrabad. Later, he was subjected to inquiry and was awarded death sentence. Who awarded? The Britishers awarded death sentence to Nalvadi Venkatappa Nayak. On the plea made by a British officer, Meadows Taylor, the Governor General of India dropped the death sentence, condemned him for 4 years deportation while he was taken to fort in Chengalpet near Madras. The British betrayed and shot the resting Venkatappa dead. Later, they spread the false news that he committed suicide. Who is committed suicide? Nalvadi Venkatappa Nayak. Later, British gifted Surapura to Nizam of Hyderabad. The successor of the Surapura province spent their time under the Nizam. Finally, when the province of Nizam of Hyderabad merged with the Indian Union on September 17, 1948, Surapura also merged with India. The Raja Nalvadi Venkatappa Nayak, I explained previously same thing what he is done. The Arabs and Rohils in army and the Britishers, one of the Britisher who is that Thornhill wrote a letter to Captain Campbell on 24th December 1857, directed him to take immediate action against the Raja Nalvadi Venkatappa Nayak. After his death, the Britishers gifted Surapura to Nizam. After September 17, 1948, Surapura was also merged with India. It is a province of Hyderabad Nizam. The Surapura Nayaka have contributed to the field of culture. They built tanks, temples, wells, forts, and places. Many Jahagirs, land gifts, were given. The Surapura Nayaka contributed the field of culture. Their rule still finds resonance in the minds of the people due to their pro-people programs. They built tanks, temples, wells, forts, and places. They had provided Inam land to sustain the worship of their patron god Venkataramana at Tirupati and Gopalaswamy. They had offered patronage of many artists, sculptors, and musicians. Many literary works of good value were written during their reign. They were known for their religious tolerance. They are known for religious tolerance. The Surapura rulers always accorded prominent places to paintings. The design and techniques of Surapura painting are the high quality. The Surapura paintings stand unique from Vijayanagara, Vijayapura and Mysore paintings. These paintings can be seen in the museums of London and Salarjung Museum in Hyderabad. Where we seeing these paintings in the London and the Salarjung Museum in Hyderabad. Who's gifted this painting? The Surapura rulers. Unique painting. One of the unique chronology of the Surapura. The period of rule by Surapura. Chieftains 1636 to 1858 C. Pitambari Bahari Pidda Nayak 1687 to 1726 C. Nalbadi Venkatappa Nayak 1843 to 1858 C. The fall of Surapura February 9, 1858. The merger of Surapura with Indian Union September 7, 1948. The Surapura that time under the Nizam, Hyderabad Nizam. Nadaprabhu of Yelahanka, Rana Bhairagowda is the founder of Yelahanka Nadaprabhu dynasty. Who is the founder of Rana Bhairagowda? He is the founder of the Yelahanka Nadaprabhu. After Rana Bhairagowda, Jayagowda, Giddegowda, Kempa and other ruled. The most popular ruler of this dynasty is Hiriya Kempegowda. Who is the most popular? Hiriya Kempegowda. Therefore, the ruler of Yelahanka are known as the ruler from Kempegowda dynasty. It is the Yelahanka ruler what we telling Kempegowda dynasty. They were Nadaprabhu during the rule of Vijayanagara Empire. They ruled Bengaluru, Ramanagara, Tumkuru and undivided Kolara districts during their period. Whose period? Nadaprabhu Yelahanka period. Since Yelahanka was the first capital, they were called Yelahanka Nadaprabhu. Why they are calling a Nadaprabhu of Yelahanka? The capital, first capital of Nadaprabhu, that is Yelahanka. Later Bengaluru and Magadi were their capital. After Bengaluru and Magadi were their capital. In that first one coming Hiriya Kempegowda 1532 C to 1597 C. Hiriya Kempegowda founded Bengaluru city in 1537 C. He built a fort in Bengaluru and started his rule from there. He built Basava temple of Basavanagudi. Where? Basavanagudi. Someshwara temple of Halsuru and extend the Gaviganga Dhareshwara temple. He is credited to building several prominent tanks. Some of them are Dharma Mubudhi tank, Halsuru tank and Sampangi tank. Hiriya Kempegowda was a devotee of Gangadhareshwara of Shivagange and built several chowtries. Chowtries means marriage halls and agraharas. He also earned the title of Prajavatsala in recognition of his pious administration. He also earned the title Prajavatsala. He recognized of his pious administration. He built so many tanks and also chowtries and temples also. After him coming Kempegowda to 1597 to 1641 C. Kempegowda II was the elder son of Hiriya Kempegowda. Whose elder son? Hiriya Kempegowda. During his period, Army General Ranadullah Khan of Vijayapura Adil Shah is occupied Bangalore in 1638. Who is occupied? Ranadullah Khan. Vijayapura of Adil Shah is occupied the Bangalore in 1638. Hence, Kempegowda II started the rule of Magadi and Kunigal region and made Magadi his capital. Why is made capital as a Magadi? Because the Adil Shah, Vijayapura Adil Shah General Army General Ranadullah Khan is occupied the Bangalore in 1638. Usually the ruler of this family are called as Magadi Kempegowda. Kempegowda II had marked the border of Bangalore. Who marked? Kempegowda II marked the border of Bangalore and built 4 watch towers in the marked place. Where he marked the Bangalore city, there he built a 4 watch towers. The watchtower built by Kempegowda II are they present in the following areas of present and Bengaluru: the North Tower of Maikri Circle, the South Tower of Lalbagh and East Tower of Halsuru, and the West Tower Gavi Ganga Deshwara. During his region, Bengaluru grew as a major weaving center. He built forts at Magadi, Savana Durga, Huliya Durga, Hutira Durga and others. Like his father, he also constructed new villages, temples and tanks. Who is his father? Hiriya Kempegowda. Kempegowda II having 2 sons. One is Kempegowda III and the Hiriya Kempegowda II. In that Kempegowda II handed over the political power to Magadi to his son Kempegowda III. What? He divided the 2 sons. That is the first one son given to Magadi political power. And the power of Kunigal province is another son, Hiriya Kempegowda II. Another son got the province of Kunigal. Kempegowda III, 1641 to 1674 C, constructed the Kempasagara tank in order to tackle drought. Hiriya Kempegowda II, 1641 to 1662 C, was not only brave but was also a multi-language academician. He earned the title Navakavita Gumba Pumbavani in recognition of his literary achievements. Why it is given? For literary achievement. His queens built agraharas, tanks and temples in Kunigal and Huliyur Durga. Later, the region ruled by the Yelahanka chieftain merged with the Mysore province. Later, the region ruled by the Yelahanka chieftain merged with the Mysore province. Chronology of this. First one coming Hiriya Kempegowda 1532 to 1597 C. Second one Kempegowda II, the son of Hiriya Kempegowda 1597 to 1641 C. Third one Kempegowda III, he is the son of Kempegowda II 1641 to 1674 C. He is the power of Magadi, political power of Magadi. After Hiriya Kempegowda II 1641 to 1662 C. he is the son of the Kempegowda too. Thank you very much for watching this video. I think you are understood this unit. Thank you very much. Subscribe my channel.